Given that x is a normal with mean 12 and variance 16, we want to find the probability that x is greater than 11. Remember that we only have tables for the standard normal z, which is a normal with mean 0 and variance 1. We can transform x to z by subtracting the mean and dividing by the standard deviation, which is the square root of the variance. So the probability of x being more than 11 is equal to the probability that z is greater than 11 take away 12 divided by 4. Note that we've done the same thing to both sides of the inequality. Z is x minus 12 divided by 4, and we've also done 11 minus 12 divided by 4. This is the probability that z is more than minus 0.25. To find this, we could first draw a sketch. So we need to sketch our standard normal curve. Minus 0.25 is here, and the area we want is this area. We can use the symmetry of the curve to spot that that area must be the same as the area from 0.25 downwards. And from tables, this is phi of 0.25. So in the tables, we look up z is 0.25 and read off the probability next to it. That gives us that the probability of x being more than 11 is 0.5987.